Today, I will be making a rolled oats overnight. Yeah, this one. And I'm using almond. And I'm using chia seed. And I have my homemade yogurt. This one. I made it last week. Next time I'm gonna make a video how I made this homemade yogurt. So now I have my container here. This is my rolls. We bought it from SNR. So I have my half cup here. Just like that. It's half cup. I have 2 containers. So actually this is 4 days. 4 days breakfast for me. Because it's a lot. So I'm just... Yeah, 1 container is for 2 serving for me. I'm just cutting it. Then, when I eat it, I'm adding banana on it. But this time, I'm not adding banana yet.
Casey.
Yeah, it's like that. And then, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna use a 1/4. This is my perfect homemade yogurt. Look at that. So I'm just gonna add 1/4. This is 1/4, yeah. 1/4 cup. Look. Now I'm adding my chia seed. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. Okay, I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna stir it. So I'm gonna eat it tomorrow, my breakfast. Then I'm gonna add the banana here tomorrow also, you know, just to add a little sweet because of the banana, and that's it. I'm not adding honey, and I just want a sweetness coming from the banana. That's it. And the chia seed has a lot of benefits, like ingredients in it. You know, let me read it to you. It says here, chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber. If you're not fan of vegetable, you can eat this for your source of fiber and protein, omega-3, fatty acids, various micronutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They're also rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. It's very good. I ordered it from TikTok or Shopee, I guess. They have in Shopee and TikTok also. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. And this is an overnight oats. So I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. And tomorrow is gonna be ready. Check natin yung aking ginawang overnight oats. Ito yun siya. Ayan. So ito yung aking cucumber. Ito yung aking first meal ngayon. First meal, 1:25 p.m. So, yun pa lang ako kakain ng almusal. Ayun, no? Diba, kalahati lang yung rolled oats na ginamit ko. Pero tingnan mo, nag-double siya. So, hindi mo kailangan sobrang dami. Ayan. Kasi nag-i-expand siya. Ayan siya, itsura niya. Kalahati lang kakainin ko dito kasi sobrang mabigat sa tiyan. Ayan, para bukas naman yung kalahati. Ayan. Ayan. So, yogurt. Homemade yogurt. Ayan, ating almusal.